how to find GoDaddy cPanel username and password. So this is easy. What we need to do is click on our name in the top right corner and then go into my products. Now from the products page here, we'll scroll down until we see web hosting. Just click on web hosting to expand the menu. Find your current plan and then click on manage. Now from this page that loads here, it will redirect us to cPanel, as you can see. So if we focus on the right hand side, you will be able to see cPanel login, and this is going to be your username. And for the password, we can actually copy the username itself. And for the password, if we click on change here, then if we left click, it's going to show us all of the requirements for a password here. And we can generate a new password by clicking on this button. And if we want to view it, we'll just click on this icon and it's going to reveal the password itself. And we can click on change password, and then if you have copied the password and you can always access the login username here, you can log into your cPanel in GoDaddy, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.